Let's get to it, show you what's going on, and that is winds, 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, but gusts to 60 to 65, especially this afternoon and tonight. 2 to 4 inches of snow and blowing snow overnight tonight. Could make for near whiteout conditions in spots. And in terms of the timing, it's all day with the wind. The snow starts late this evening and tonight, probably after 8 or 9 o'clock. Okay. Today, though, is going to be mostly sunny. That'll be nice. Temperatures close to 30 degrees, but it's this cold front approaching from Canada that's got some snow, and this is a very strong front associated with one of the deepest low pressure areas over Hudson Bay seen in a generation, believe it or not, from meteorologically speaking. So this has some punch, and it's going to bring us the snow tonight. Out ahead of it, we get the wind. All right, today, mostly sunny skies, temperatures right around 30. Here comes the snow, 9, 10 o'clock. It could be a burst of heavy snow, and after 11 to midnight, there could be a squall that moves through. So many of us may sleep through the worst of the weather, but this could cause for very tricky travel, low visibilities. Power outages are a possibility with winds this high, and that is something to watch. Now, the snow tapers down tomorrow morning, but another round approaches later tomorrow night into Wednesday. This one will not have as much wind with it, but another round of some snow and blowing snow Tuesday night into Wednesday as snow showers continue through the middle of the week. All right, what is the potential for snow? Again, it's not today, it's overnight tonight. Just a couple of inches, but it will be blowing sideways because of those high winds. How high are the winds? This is this morning. Notice the wind gusts approaching 40. As we head into the afternoon, we're beginning to see some 50 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts. And yes, even 60 to 65 mile an hour wind gusts this evening and tonight as the snow arrives. So you have the combo of both, which is why travel could be hazardous tonight. There we go. So that's your, the worst of it is tonight, but out ahead of it, plenty of wind today, the wind and the snow tonight. Windy, mostly sunny, southwest winds 20 to 30, gusting to 55 miles an hour, especially this afternoon. Tonight, snow. Blowing snow, very windy, winds 55, possibly gusting as high as 65 miles an hour. Thus, we have a weather impact alert for today and tonight. All right, another round of snow later Tuesday into Wednesday. Right now, Thursday and Friday look quiet, and it should stay quiet and warmer with temperatures above freezing into the weekend. For the south towns in the southern tier, weather impact alert for today. Not for the southern tier, just the wind will be high, but not as high because of the hilly terrain. There's the snow for Wednesday. And then another system is going to approach from the south, which may graze the south towns and the southern tier with some light snow on Saturday.
Those temps are much more doable, though, later on this week. I'm excited for that.
Yeah, one more. Believe it or not, temperatures near 30 this week, but overnight lows are going to get really cold this week. So there's still some cold air around. But tonight is the combo of the snow and the
Good
winds.
for snowmaking, though, for the ski resorts, for the overnight low temps.
Absolutely. Very good point.
Ah, yes.
Thank you for some positive, for the snowmaking on a snowy, windy night.
Smile if you can. Thanks for joining us for Daybreak.
Bye, everybody.